I am Aida Kahapon, 30 years old. I am single. I am the youngest of the family. I am graduated midwifery course. I have an experience taking care of children here in Philippines at least 7 years under my employer of Mrs. Irene Arimuto. Having 4 kids, 3 girls, 1 boy. Their ages are 15, 14, 12, and 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, taking care of kids, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and car washing, and sometimes cooking.
Okay, so we need to say you are a midwifery graduate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you a certified midwife?
No, ma'am.
You didn't take an exam.
I
But
didn't take.
you experienced before working in a lying-in or in a clinic or in a hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then so you're very well experienced in taking care of newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then before you also work as a local maid here in the Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for how many years have you been working as a local maid here?
7 years.
Okay, so how many members in the family you serve?
Yes, ma'am.
How many members in the family you serve?
5 members.
Okay, so how many children they have?
3 kids.
Okay, so your own duties and responsibilities is just to take care of the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you're the only one maid?
2 maids.
Okay, 2 maids. So how many bedrooms your employer has?
3 cars.
3 bedrooms.
And 3 bed.
Okay, and how many bathrooms?
2 bathrooms.
Okay, and then you also do the car washing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it every day you do the car washing?
No, ma'am.
Every other
Every
day?
other day.
Okay, and you also can cook.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food can you cook?
Chicken curry.
Okay, so how about if we will give you a menu or recipe book, can you manage to follow and cook them?
Yes, ma'am, I can manage.
Okay, so now the future employer is watching, believe what you want to say something to the future employer.
Hello, ma'am and sir. I know it's you for you to select and with Mr. Helper. I'm here applying and I promise that if you hire me, I will promise to do all the responsibilities as a domestic helper. And if you have a baby, children, I will treat them like my
Okay, so physical fit right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck.
Thank you.